Hi friends, in this lecture what we are going to do, we are going to set up the Excel in our system. At this moment I don't have Excel installed in my system, so I'm going to install the Excel in this system. So to install this Excel on this system, but we need a first of all we need a setup. So I have injected a pen drive and I'm going to copy this folder. So this is the folder where Excel file is exist. So I copy this, control C, and then I will paste in the folder in the drive D. So I have pasted here. So I'm going to paste it. After completion I will come back and then start. Okay. Okay, now we have copied the folder from pen drive to our drive. Now you can see we have folder Office 21. Then I copied this folder here, and when I click on this, I have three things are there. First is setup of 7-zip file installer. 7-zip is a means to say zip extractor. So we will use this, and so first of all I will install it. Now I'm going to install. It is asking me yes, then I press yes. Now install. I have installed this. Now it is installed. What next step is to extract this file. But before extracting this file, what steps you have to follow? Press the window key and find for security. Okay, window security. When you click on this, then you have to come here, threat protection, and then manage settings, and you have to close these all settings, means to turn off these all settings first, because we need a crack version. That's why stop these settings and come here and right click here, and then using 7-zip extract here, because it is a very fast 7-zip, and it will ask for the password. What is the password? I have written here. This is the password. I copied it and close this file, and close this file, and then come here and then paste it in the zip file. Now I pasted it. Okay. Okay, now it is start extracting, and it will just takes few seconds. As of now you can see it is taking just few seconds, and the file is extracted here. Okay, so we have a folder is available, and we will use this folder to install our Office. So double click here. I want to install, so just come here and install, then yes. Now it is taking some time preparing. Now it is prepared. So first of all we need to uninstall, because we don't have any Office, so we just direct have to click install. To check Office is available or not, just press window key and find Excel. If you find the Excel app here, it means you have installed, but in my system it is not installed. That's why I am installing this. So click in the install button. When I click on install button, now you can see please stay online. Okay, it will take some time, and make sure your internet should be turned on. Okay, so I will come back after this. Okay, so it is taking time. Okay, now you can see it is installed. Okay, so it is installed. You don't need to open it and just click on the close button. Now it is, when you click on the close button, this screen again will available with you, and when you press the window key, now we have these options are available. So recently added files, Excel is also available, but we have to activate this. To activate this, we need to just come here, and you have utilities and settings, and inside this you don't need to check anything. Just click on the activate Office. When you click on this, it will start activating. It is taking some time, and it may take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now you can see product activation successfully, and it is again product activation successfully. It will perform some operation. Okay, now it is activated successfully. Now it is exiting. It means our Office is activated. Now Office installation is done. Okay, and if you talk about any other version, if you have any Office that is not unable to install, then you can use this button as well. Okay, but don't think you can't do, you can do easily. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.